July 16, 2018. U.S. President Donald Trump met with Russian President Vladimir Putin in Finland. Trump appeared not to agree with U.S. officials that Russia interfered in the U.S. presidential election of 2016. 5 European countries agree to accept hundreds of migrants from 2 ships docked in Sicily. The Eritrean embassy in Ethiopia is reopened following a historic peace deal between the 2 former enemies. And France's soccer team returns to a victory parade after winning the World Cup championship game.